How to create a flower shape using a plum blossom clip. First, we need to prepare 6 balloons, 10-inch or size 5 balloons. Are recommended a duckbill clip and an air pump. Let's take a look at the shape of the plum blossom clamp. Next, the balloon needs to be inflated to 2/3 of its size, maintaining even expansion. The yellow balloon, as the central part of the flower, needs to be inflated less. Then, according to the shape of the flower clip, insert 5 balloons into the outer ring of the clip to form a petal arrangement. Finally, thread the yellow balloon through the small hole in the center to serve as the flower's core. Adjust the position of the balloon. A lovely flower is all done.